Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Thank you for joining me right here on the English Makes No Sense YouTube channel. It is I, SL Rockfish, your happy hostess, and today we're going to take a look at indefinite pronouns. Huh? Yeah, indefinite pronouns. Today we're going to look at 4 of them. Why 4? Because I got a question on TikTok in the Q&A section, and they asked me, what's the difference between anyone and someone, anybody and somebody? I thought, what a great question! But I thought I could do a little better answer right here on YouTube in a longer version. So I hope you stay with me. All right? Anyone is used for writing more often than not. And it means any person, anyone. For example, anyone know the answer? Teachers ask that all the time. Or anybody means anyone. Anyone, what? This is anyone. Yeah, anybody's in it means anyone too. They're interchangeable. You can use them either way. I know. So why do we have 2 of them? I don't know. Anybody can be anyone. And I guess anyone can be anybody. See? That means interchangeable. Anybody is more common. Anybody have any questions? I'm sure you have a lot. Now, someone and somebody. Someone in writing is an unknown person. Someone ate my cheese. That was a book. That means somebody out there, anyone, an unknown person, ate the cheese. Then somebody means some person. What? Yeah, somebody is more common. It means some person. For example, somebody stole my cheese. Somebody ate my cheese. I could use it like that. Again, interchangeable. But wait. Somebody is also used for a person of importance. You know, like, oh, look at him. Well, isn't he a somebody? No, he really is a somebody. He's the boss. What about her? She's a somebody too. Wasn't she on that movie? Yeah, she's a somebody. Got it? Now, let's review. Can you hear my neighbor's lawnmower? Sorry about that. Anyone hear that? Somebody? Anyone? You hear that brrr in the background? Sorry. All right, anyone means any person. Anybody means anyone. Anybody is more common than anyone. Anyone is used in writing. Got it. Now, let me do this one. Someone is in writing, and it means an unknown person. We don't know who. They're unknown. Someone know the answer? Somebody does know the answer. Now, somebody can mean some person. Yeah, it gets confusing. Then, somebody is more common than someone, and we use somebody a lot when we are speaking. Okay, but wait, somebody is also some person or a person of importance. Like, hey, isn't he the president? Yeah, he's a somebody. Or someday I hope to grow up to be a somebody. Got it? Now you can read and understand this sentence. Anyone could be anybody. Someone can be somebody. Also, anyone can be a somebody. Can anyone hear my neighbors more? It stopped. What? Come on, English.